Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Woocommerce random product category thumbnail that allows you to, instead of using the default placeholders for your product categories, it will randomly select a product image that is associated to that category. So let me show you how it works. The first thing you need to do is to go and download the plugin. I'll put a link in the description. Then you got to install it. So add plugin. Just gotta upload the plugin. Just gonna select it. This one here. Open that. Install it. So once it's installed, just activate the plugin. Now you go to Woocommerce and there will be random category thumbnails here. And then it's got the option here to assign thumbnails. So I'll show you how it looks like at the moment. So if you go to categories, for example, you see that this has 274 products. There's no thumbnail images for these. So let me show you how the plugin works. So go back to random category thumbnails. Click on assign thumbnails. Okay, thumbnails assigned. So let's go back to the product categories. You'll see that if start assigning images to those product categories. Now, if it's got a product that has, if it's got a category that has no products, so it will not assign it, which means it's not being used. I hope this plugin worked, and I hope this video helped as well. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to